Transforming from $28,000 a year to $88,000 plus a month, my 3-step method for success. I was recently at a session with other up-and-coming influencers and individuals. During the session, I was asked a great question that I thought would be perfect to answer on my show. The question was about my journey from sleeping in my car to generating $30,000 a month from one revenue stream on YouTube through Google AdSense and eventually building a 7-figure business. How did I transition from being raised by 4 loving parents, with my father serving in the army and making around $50,000 a year, my mom working in the school system, and my stepfather driving school buses, while my mother ran a daycare business? We were not a wealthy or rich family, living paycheck to paycheck with little margin. Yet, how did I reach where I am today? Let's have a discussion about that, and I'm going to share 3 steps that can help you regardless of where you are in your current stage of life. Start the process of reaching where you want to be in the future. But first, I want to emphasize that money is not everything. In fact, a recent study on Yahoo Finance revealed that nearly half of Americans earning over $100,000 a year are still living paycheck to paycheck. What's the issue here? How is it that you're earning around $8,000 to $8,300 per month and still living paycheck to paycheck? The problem is not necessarily your income, but rather our mindset and how we manage our finances. We need to focus on the kinds of things in our lives that will remain relevant for many years to come. Let's work on our mindset and not just chase after more money. Many people mistakenly believe that having more money will automatically solve their problems, but that's not entirely true. Even when I moved out of the back of my car and started making good money, I was still struggling to make ends meet and living paycheck to paycheck. However, there were 3 things that completely changed my financial situation, and I want to share them with you. So let's dive in and watch the entire video, and I assure you that these 3 things will dramatically change your life. This is going to be quick, but I promise it'll be worth it, as I want to bless my audience with these insights that were given to me. Let's start with the very first thing that made a significant impact on my journey, taking me from earning $0 to $500 a month, then to $30,000 a month, and now consistently generating 6 figures monthly, which adds up to 7 figures a year. The number one change I had to make was to start exchanging my time for activities and opportunities that aligned with my vision and financial goals. In the past, I realized I wasn't prioritizing my time in a way that supported my goals and vision. In the past, I realized that I was wasting my time on gossip, such as watching reality TV shows or engaging in idle chatter. I was also spending my time working for others, dedicating long hours to another brand, company, or family without prioritizing time for my own personal growth and goals. I realized that I was spending my time building someone else's future and legacy instead of prioritizing my own growth. I wasn't dedicating my time to building myself up. It made me reflect on what I can do today to exchange my time for activities that align with my goals, both financially and personally. What steps can you take today to use your time effectively and move closer to your financial and personal goals? If you want to achieve a 6-figure income this year, you need to be intentional about how you're spending your time. Are you using your time wisely after work? Are you spending hours on video games or gossiping on social media? Are you engaging in meaningful activities that align with your goals? Consider reading books, joining mastermind groups, participating in small groups at your local church, and investing your time in activities that will help you grow and succeed financially. It's essential to be a good steward of your time and make intentional choices on how you use it to move closer to your goals. We can't blame others or the system for a lack of wealth. While the system may have flaws that need fixing, we all have the same 24 hours in a day. We spend around 8 hours sleeping and 8 hours working on average. But what are we doing with the remaining time? Are we surrounding ourselves with people who challenge and stretch us? Are we using YouTube for educational content rather than just funny videos? Are we investing in books that feed our minds, which are our most valuable asset for business? Are we listening to podcasts that nourish our growth? These questions led me to the second point. As I started exchanging my time for things that aligned with my goals and my money goals, it led me to the second point. I had to surround myself with people who would hold me accountable and work towards our goals together. You can't do it alone. Building wealth, creating a legacy, and achieving your money goals require being around people who are already doing what you want to do or share the same mindset as you. Surrounding yourself with people who may not be doing the exact same thing you want to do, but who share the same mindset as you is crucial. So when you find a brother, sister, mentor, or loved one who thinks like you, has achieved what you want to do, and holds you accountable, you can succeed. I started exchanging my time for things that aligned with my goals and money goals, and being intentional about who I surround myself with. This made me think that I can't achieve this on my own and that I need to surround myself with like-minded individuals who share similar goals. We can lock arms together, hold each other accountable, and work towards our common objectives. This brings me to the final point. You need to follow a strategy to build your wealth and achieve your goals. It's important to have a plan in place and take intentional steps towards building your desired future. The common thread among all those successful individuals I connected with was that they followed three key principles. Firstly, they exchanged their time for activities that aligned with their vision and financial goals. Secondly, they surrounded themselves with people who held them accountable and supported their growth. And thirdly, they followed a proven system that had worked for others, adapting it to their own personalities and thought processes to move forward. It was clear that these principles played a significant role in their achievements and success in building their businesses. Some of you may be watching this right now and realizing that you have a unique gift, skill, or talent inside of you. You're eager to go from zero to earning $30,000 a month, or from zero to an extra $5,000 a month. The answer lies within you. There's a precious gift and skill inside of you waiting to come out. In fact, content creation is currently the fastest growing type of small business in America. So embrace your talents, tap into your creativity, and unleash your potential as a content creator. You can see tons of content creators who have been so successful in their field because it's something that has proven to be a good way to earn money. Though there are techniques you need to learn to be a successful content creator, you already know that this field, when done in the right way, will give you a good flow of income. Content creation is a proven system that works. The opportunities are abundant, and the potential for success is within your reach. I'm just like the people I want to help, passionate about money and committed to empowering the minority community to overcome debt and build wealth. Learn how to build a reputable brand that can make a positive impact on the people you call to serve. You'll learn how to generate an extra income of $1,000 to $5,000 a month. Take action on the plan and implement it diligently. In fact, within the next 60 to 90 days, you can start making an extra $1,000 to $5,000 per month by following the steps I lay out. However, it's crucial to surround yourself with a community of like-minded individuals who share your mindset and have achieved similar goals. This support system can provide accountability, motivation, and valuable insights as you progress on your entrepreneurial journey. So get ready to follow a proven plan and connect with a supportive community to transform your vision into a successful business. I want to share with you a valuable lesson I've learned. Often, we're influenced by what we see, and it shapes our thoughts and actions. However, it should be the other way around. What's in our hearts should guide our thoughts, which then activate our actions and manifest through our hands. I want to encourage you to recognize the unique gift inside you. When you bring it out into the world through your actions, it has the potential to generate an extra income of $1,000 to $5,000 per month. And who knows, one day it could even become a 6- or 7-figure business as you impact and help others. Remember, the first step is to start exchanging your time for activities that bring you closer to your goals and generate income. Secondly, surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are pursuing similar aspirations, as building wealth is not a solitary endeavor. Lastly, follow a proven system that can guide you towards success. Thanks for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day. See you soon.